Hi! Okay, so we were very kindly sent these little samples. Well, I say samples, they're the full-size product from Hunter and Gatherer. They're avocado oil mayonnaise. So we got the regular one and the garlic one.
So we've been intrigued by these because neither of us are avocado people. Like,
no.
But
we really wanted to try this because really it's the texture. Ooh, burn the house down. It's usually me.
Yeah.
Usually it's the texture of avocado that seems
a little bit of the taste. It's just a bit.
I think if it's seasoned well,
I've had guacamole once, which I actually kind of enjoyed.
Yeah, so it's more along the lines of we have not explored the avocado world.
No. And I think this is an excellent introduction.
I think this is really good. It looks really nice, and we've been thinking about what kind of recipe we could do because we wanted to stay true to the brand.
Yes.
They don't do gluten, sugar, dairy,
wheat,
grains. They don't do a lot. Yeah. So we found it a really good challenge.
Yes.
We've been really enjoying. But we were kind of trying to think of foods that we really like.
Yeah.
Stuff that we really enjoy, and we wanted to just kind of transfer that over. And something that I absolutely love is aioli.
I love aioli. It's amazing. Oh my god, give me it with calamari each and every time. So
we thought, what's the kind of number one dish where you throw a bit of aioli on top of it? Patatas Bravas. So we wanted to make it a little bit healthier.
So we're going to use sweet potato.
Sweet potato Patatas Bravas. We have got a recipe for inspiration, but we really wanted to show you what's kind of in the cupboards anyway.
We'll link the actual recipe, which is vegan, down in the link below, so you can all go and try it out. It is, I'll tell you who it is. It's Lauren Carris, and this recipe looks lovely. She uses new baby sweet potatoes. So we're substituting that with sweet potatoes. And there's a couple of others on here, so there's cayenne pepper, but we're using mild chili powder because I personally have the palate of an infant.
We really wanted to just show off this product.
Yeah.
We haven't even tried it yet. We've been waiting to put it with the right thing, so we're actually really looking forward to this. This is going to be a laugh. This is going to be something else.
Nah.
So, shall we start?
Let's start.
What's great about a Patatas Bravas recipe is you get to keep the skin on.
I know. I love skin on potatoes. It's the good bit.
Yeah. I mean, peeling potatoes is not it's not my favourite pasta.
I can see my dad cowering. My dad's got these beautiful knife sets, Nafu, which is like kind of like Japanese folded steel. Yeah. And we like buy him a new knife for Christmas and his birthday because it's something that he doesn't have.
Yeah.
And so they're all beautifully sharp and all lovely. And then there's me, with my very blunt knives, so I can feel them shouting at me, "You need to get new knives!"
Is it like a dad thing? Because my dad literally brought a knife shop at the weekend.
Oh my god, it's so funny. These are going to be really funny shaped patatas bravas.
Oh, it's homemade. It's homemade.
It's homemade, so it's all good. It's all good in the hood.
Probably as funny as my camera angles, it's fine. Probably as funny as my camera angles. Oh, stirring with the knife. Don't try this at home, kids.
So we're gonna put the lid on that for about 5 minutes. Yeah, check the time, we're all good. Let's peel an onion.
Okay, so like in the recipe it says to chop half an onion, but Ellie has these sweet little baby onions.
I have these little baby onions, and it seems such a little waste just to leave half of it on its own. And
do you reckon that's the equivalent of half an onion?
I reckon it is about the equivalent of half an onion, depending on the size of your onion. It does say white onions, so like white onions can get quite big.
I wish people would just specify the size of their onions.
Grammage.
I apologise now, guys, because you've probably noticed. Hang on. I'm not the camera person in this relationship. I'm not. And the reason is because I'm a bit rubbish at it. And Ellie's really good. So, The shaky camera is me. The professional one is Ellie. So back to Ellie.
Aww, you're so sweet.
It's not actually sweet, it's just the truth.
Aww. Right, so goes onion.
This is the bad boy that we are very much looking forward to. If you heard a weird splashy noise whilst I was looking at this, Ellie just poured in chopped tomatoes.
Rinse out your tins to put in the recycling.
Wise words, Ellie, wise words. This bad boy. As you can see, when I said we're making Patatas Bravas, I hold the camera whilst Ellie makes. Because I'm more likely to burn down the house.
So right, I'm a slight control freak, you might have.
I can actually make some foods. I'm not too bad. I've learned. But Ellie is like the master baker. I did say baker.
I'm better at baking.
She is better at baking. Baking is an art form you have to learn, and I have not sat down to learn it, so...
I would do it more, but it costs money and my gym membership.
I just tend to, a couple times a year, go, there's an occasion. Ellie, please grace me with your baking skill present.
And I do that.
Yeah, so there's the mild chili powder. So, obviously, we put more of that in than you would the cayenne pepper.
So we're now going to... It says
That
blitz!
stool is going to kill me.
It says blitz!
She's gonna blitz.
Hey! So we've now got a precise like sauce. It's all nice and smooth.
All nice and smooth.
But we won't need that. This is coming off. They're done. We're just gonna pour this out. Hot. Don't burn yourself. I have a horrible habit of burning myself. Like, I don't do anything that's got molten sugar in it because I will die. Woo! Steamy. Steamy. So,
Oh, cayenne pepper, like the original recipe says.
we're going to use a little bit of olive oil.
Ooh. Oh, do you pan roast them as well?
Yeah.
Lovely.
So we're going to have to cut away and wait for about half an hour.
Hunter and Gatherer. This is them. This is their lovely Instagram. How nice does all this look? Very, very happy. Look how cool. What is this?
Right, so that's going in the oven for 30-35 minutes to get nice and crisp and roasty toasty. So we will
see them.
See you in a moment. After our casual interlude, we're now going to start looking at doing the sauce. So we've got the passata that we made before, and a bit of oil in the pan. Essentially, we're just going to fry it off and reduce it down a little bit, just whilst the potatoes are finally
Getting themselves ready.
yeah, crisping up.
Gonna pour the passata in.
Pour it in.
Pour it in, darling. Pour it in.
I'm pouring, hon. I'm pouring.
Pouring.
I'm pouring.
Pouring.
I'm pouring in.
Pouring.
Oh, it smells
That
so
smells
good.
so good.
Oh. Oh, that actually smells so good.
I think we did okay, my love. I think we've done
That's-
okay.
Yeah.
So this is just going to, we're just going to cook this down for about 5 minutes or so. So we'll see you when I'm out.
See you in a moment.
And through the power of magic,
It's reduced.
it has reduced.
And the potatoes are out.
So it's lovely and thick, and the potatoes are out, and they are done. Oh, they just look like crispy, golden.
Hi! Well, you weren't expecting that now, were you? You were hoping to see a lovely finished product. Well, got to love the flaws of technology. So I have just been rooting through my cards, all of my SD cards, to try and find literally the last minute of footage that will show you the finished product. Alice and I trying it. Do I have it? No. Literally got to the end of my edit and it's gone. So I thought I would just show you some photos that we've taken. Honestly, It was amazing. If you want something slightly more crispy, don't bother parboiling, put your sweet potato straight in the oven. I must admit, I think that's the one change that I would make. The recipe did say that for new potatoes, which are a bit more starchy, I think you need a little bit more of a parboil. Stick your sweet potatoes straight in the oven. But other than that, the garlic mayo was incredible. I could not tell the difference. I'm so sorry, hunter-gatherer, that that we've lost that little last bit of footage, but I hope you like the photos, and honestly, your garlic mayo is incredible. So the recipe for this patatas bravas is in the link down below. Go and check it out. Honestly, it's super easy, fantastic for parties, for girls' night. Please try the avocado mayos. They really are. They're so delicious. Alice and I don't normally like avocados, and you don't taste it whatsoever, and we both know that we're getting all the wonderful nutrition and the good oils from them. Honestly, check out their website, check out their Instagram. The link once again is down below. There's all sorts of different photos, different inspirations. Go on their website, please just go and try them out. And they do bottles of avocado oil, etc., and various other products. Go and check them out, they really are amazing. Until next time, we cannot wait to see you, same time, same place next week, with Alice here in the void. But other than that, we'll see you then. Bye!